Experience innovation live with your Mercedes-Benz. Network with your Mercedes-Benz now and enter into digital dialogue with your vehicle. With the Mercedes Me adapter and the smartphone app, you can use an innovative system for mobile access of many of your vehicle data. The adapter sends the vehicle data from your car to your smartphone via Bluetooth. In this way, you can, for example, retain an overview of the tank fill level, the mileage, or your car's parking time. Document your driving with display of the route, distance, and the time taken. The app automatically stores the current parking position and parking time. You always have an overview and can even be navigated to your car. In case of breakdown or accident, you can transmit the damage notification, current vehicle data, and your location to customer support via app and thus facilitate assistance. Via the app, you can contact your dealer at any time in order to arrange a service appointment, for example. Your dealer is also informed as soon as maintenance is due for your car and can then make you an individual and tailor-made offer. Through the link to Mercedes Me, the digital gateway to the world of Mercedes-Benz, you benefit from individual services and lots of extras. With 3 simple steps, you are ready for dialogue with your Mercedes-Benz. 1. Register in the Mercedes Me portal. 2. Download the Mercedes Me adapter app to your smartphone. 3. Have the Mercedes Me adapter installed at your authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer. Enter into dialogue with your car now. We wish you lots of fun with your networked Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.